I think that's what it's going to there. That's fine. That's fine. I'll play on with the same. No, that's the same as well, man.
Shall I play?
No, I play as you say. No. I'll play you sing, man. Can't afford a mistake, man.
Oh, all right.
I need to be a little louder.
These are Gaelic ones.
Gaelic ones.
You're just
Singing in the Gaelic.
Singing in the Gaelic.
Right, oh, very good.
Horshna, Hershna, Horshna, Hershna, Horshna, Hershna, Horshna, Hershna.
No, I forgot the chord there, so I think we'll start again.
Alright, okay. Oh, they get you right there.
Still let you play, man. Yes, it does.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Horshna, Hershna, 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 Pog my hoy.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, lovely man. Horshna, Hershna, 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 Pog my hoy. And then one last time now.
All right.
Horshna, Hershna, 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 Pog my hoy.
So that's enough, man. Now, we'll tell the audience what this song is all about. Basically, folks, this translates is, it is bad luck to see the sheep in the wedding dress.
I remember it well.
You remember the sheepdog, man? You remember the sheepdog?
I know, you said you would never mention that.
Oh, I said never
you're
mention that, so I just did, man.
no.
Dear me.
Oh, no, you said